Hello travelers, today we're taking a look at this new power bank here from Nitecore. This is the Nitecore Pocket 10,000, which as the name would suggest is a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. Now this power bank has the same carbon fiber design. Both of the panels are carbon fiber. This is the one I reviewed previously. This is the NB 10,000, which has nice rubberized corners and is very thin and lightweight. Still one of my favorite power banks, by the way. And you have two in and out charging ports and a little light indicator. Now what makes this one different is that it is also very thin and lightweight. It actually also has an in and out charging port on the bottom here. But what makes this one different is that it has this built-in charging cable. So as you can see, that is a USB-C charging cable. And this is designed to plug into your phone. So most of the modern iPhones have a USB-C port. So this will be great for people who have that or an iPhone, which also has a USB-C port. This also does plug into and charge other USB-C devices like the camera I'm using or any other devices that you charge with USB-C. And then you can see it just plugs straight back in there, and it's very nice and neat little package. And it's only just slightly larger than this one here. The weight is slightly different. This one I think was 150. I'll have to put it up on the screen. And this one I think was about 180, which if I compare to other power banks I reviewed, the Zendure Power Mini, this was previously the lightest weight one I had reviewed and the one that I continued to use and like, and this one is 180. And as you can see, this one is a bit smaller, more compact. I like the flatter design. It's easier to fit into pockets and slip into bags, but this has a nice rounded design as well. But they are all actually 10,000 milliamp hours, so these three batteries are all the same capacity, but as you can see, the size and weight of them is obviously different. This has a built-in cable, but you can also use an additional cable like this one, plug it into the bottom, and it will start charging, and you can charge your iPhone. Fortunately, my iPhone still has a lightning adapter, so I need to carry something like this, which is a lightning to USB-C adapter, which kind of defeats the purpose a little bit, but you just plug it onto the end there, and then you have your built-in cable. Now obviously that won't clip into it with it still on there because it's not enough space, but it still does make it a nice compact design if you didn't want to have to carry a separate cable like this one here. But overall, yeah, I've really enjoyed this power bank. And I do have some other power banks from Nitecore coming, so definitely stay subscribed to keep up to date and see the review of that other new Nitecore power bank. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.